Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm joined with my little sister Nell.
Hey!
So basically today we've got all the same products. So we've got one product of every makeup step and we're both going to be using them, chatting, asking each other questions on video and just see what makeup looks we come up with, obviously using the same products. So none of us know what look we're going to go for, we're just going to roll with it. And if you want to see how our looks turn out, then carry on watching and enjoy the video. So first we've got this Morphe continuous setting spray, just going to prep our skin with it. So now we've got a foundation. This is the CC foundation by TIK Cosmetics. So what have you been doing in school, my friend?
Well, I've just been doing some science, some maths.
So what's it actually like though, because you're not in school, are you, at the minute, because
No.
of Corona time?
Well, it's not that bad actually. It's quite hard because obviously you learn new stuff and that you can't actually talk to teachers about it and stuff, but it's alright. I don't prefer it like this, but you know.
You'd rather be in school?
Yeah.
What a loser.
Well, it's quite hard because obviously you only get good grades and stuff, and I'm starting my GCSEs this year, so it's hard when I can't learn new stuff that well.
Well, that's like me with work. Well, I have been working from home for the last few weeks actually. Well, about like 2 months, maybe a bit more. And then only this week they decided to put me on furlough, which is strange because I've been literally working from home this entire time. But basically like the project that I'm working on, I work in finance, and the project that I was working on has now ended. The contract's over, so we're waiting for a new project. So at the moment I can't really do much anyway. Usually there would be one lined up, but obviously at the moment they don't have any because of Corona. So
yeah.
I'm just off chilling for a minute. It's a good opportunity to do makeup and stuff. Now we have an opportunity to do a load of videos together, so you're probably going to see her on my channel a lot more, which I'm sure you're all really pleased about. Next is concealer. We're using the NYX HD concealer.
My face is so plain. Pale.
It is not pale. That's dark, too dark for you, so I don't know how you've got that out of that. So what else have you been doing in Corona? Because I know you only do schoolwork for like a couple of hours in the morning, don't you?
Yeah. Well, I've been doing my schoolwork starting at 9 and then finishing around about 10:30 or something. And then I've been doing chilling with the cats and the dogs. Going outside in the garden.
Chilling with the cats.
Doing some makeup looks on my Instagram. Oh God, why do I have that on my face?
I'll put her Instagram in the description below.
Excuse me.
I'll put her Instagram in the description below if you want to go check the poor kid out. She's absolutely awful.
Shut up.
Joking.
But yeah, I've been thinking of some like good makeup looks and stuff. Yeah, so I haven't really been doing much. I haven't really been going out that lot, like much as either. So obviously we've been going out for walks sometimes. Not often, but you know, sometimes.
Using the RCMA powder, that's this one here. This one's really good, but the only thing, alright. This one's really good, but the only problem with it is that it's such annoying packaging. You know, I just put it out on my desk, but it's kind of annoying because you end up wasting loads of it. I'm using this W7 Honolulu bronzer. Just bronzing my usual areas. This one's a little bit dark for me, which is actually good because the other ones barely show up, so I like this one. Ooh. Maybe a little bit too dark for you.
I've got literally a small tan hair, not much, like hair at the back. It's going now.
Definitely.
I did.
Bye Bye Pores TIK Cosmetics blush.
What happened?
She comes over and expects lunch.
I'm gonna be.
Well, I've made mine and Sam's lunch already. It's pasta, but you can have dairy donka and some sausage rolls.
Yeah.
Bosh. What a treat. Next, we've got highlight. We're going to be using the Soph Makeup Revolution highlight. We've got to pick one shade that we're both going to use.
I'll pick
Gold?
that one.
Gold.
Yeah.
So now we'll go on to brows. Do you want to do your brows or are you alright?
I'll do my brows. Yeah, so on Sunday my brother actually went to the army, and he's going to be there for about 12 weeks, and then he's coming back for a weekend or something, and then he's going back over there. He don't know how long he's going to be over there for, so yeah.
Do you miss him?
No.
Joseph, if you're watching this, stay there as long as you can. You're not missed here. No, it's only been a few days.
Yeah,
but
it's literally been a day.
what is it, Tuesday now? So
Yeah.
it's only been 2 days, but yeah, he's just gone into the army, so yeah.
And then this morning they woke up at like 4:30 this morning just to tidy their bedroom. Like, I would be so annoyed. I'd be like, oh wow.
Yeah, you can't even tidy your room, let alone at 4:30 in the morning.
Hey,
But what is there to tidy when you've just moved in 2 days ago?
Yeah.
It can't be messy, can
Well,
it?
it's probably just like putting all their clothes away that they've just like changed and stuff.
Bedding
Like
and
sort
that.
like unpacking and that, resorting out and stuff. So
That's not a good start. I would not be okay with that.
no.
The next product we're going to use, we're going to move on to eyes now.
I need to wax my eyebrows.
Well, we're not doing that right now. Anyway, the next product we're going to use is the P. Louise base. Nell's never used this before. This is in shade Rumour 01. This is like an eye base, so I'll do mine first while Nell's doing her brows. So I literally just put a little bit on my eyes and then use a brush just to blend it in.
You should put some music on now.
You're not allowed music on YouTube, my dear.
Why?
Because you get copyright.
Oh yeah.
Do you know what that means?
Yes.
What? What does it mean now?
Well, it's just basically copy music that you're not meant to use on videos.
So I'm glad you all understand what copyright now means. Now Nell's described it in a very in-depth way to let everybody know what it means.
If you comment down below what other videos you want us to do, if it's makeup related or challenges or something like that, then we will do them.
Yes, we filmed a few today already.
They are hilarious.
If I do say so.
Like literally, I can look at that.
Yeah, it was very funny and they're very fun, so hopefully they're fun for you guys to watch. But we did have a laugh doing it, it was quite good. We're only gonna, so
Right,
I've put out 3 eyeshadow brushes that we're gonna use, and we've got
And what have you just put on?
we've got the blood sugar. I haven't put anything on yet.
Oh.
We've got the blood sugar palette here from Jeffree Star, so we're gonna be using that. We've got this liquid eyeshadow, liquid crystal eyeshadow by Beauty Bay, and we've got this eyeliner, pencil eyeliner by We Makeup, and this is Ruby Grape. So it's going to be a red kind of themed look, but we don't know what each other's going to be doing, and we're not going to discuss it. We're just going to keep chatting and do it, and then see at the end what we both come up with.
So I'm going to go for like a natural goldy kind of look. So I'm going to do a nice brown.
So I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just doing what I want as I go along. But I've got like a purpley kind of shade on at the minute. Just going to blend that out. I can't blend it out right now because Nell's using the other brush, so I'm just waiting for her to be done with that, and then I can use that to blend mine in.
Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this brush, and I'm going to go in with the gold. Just like on my eyes, like at the bottom.
And just blend in the outside of mine so it doesn't look so mental.
Okay, so what I like to do is I like to just get my finger and any like messy parts, let's just like blend it in a little bit with the other, instead of using a brush, because you know, got our fingers there for a reason.
And that is the reason. That's the reason we have fingers, is to blend your eyeshadow. So don't go using them for other things, like picking up things or anything. Not used for that, so don't waste your time with that.
It's just eyeshadow, but it's glitter, but it's like a lipstick kind of, so you just put it on your
Liquid.
Liquid.
I'm going to use the darker purple to go under my eye. Never used it before.
Oh, it's so hard to
I'm going to use this as well and just pop it on my eye. Kind of going to use it as like a cut crease kind of situation. I'm going to use this brush. To pack it on and make a cut crease out of it like this, but I do mine a little bit bigger because I've got hooded eyes, so I go just above my cut crease. Bandage.
I just put myself in the eye.
And then we've got to use this eyeliner pencil, which I've actually never used, so I'm just going to put that on top. Hopefully it works alright with the glitter.
Okay.
I'm not sure if it's gonna.
So now I'm going to go in with the glitter that I used for this eye with that eye. And just going to top this one eye for this eye a little bit more.
I'm just using the mascara now because I've used all the products that we had to use. So I'm using this Essence Lash Princess mascara, and I'm going to put lashes on, but Nell isn't, so it's okay that I'm a bit ahead. So I need to put on the lashes as well.
Okay, so I've literally just put on the glitter. So now I'm just going to blend that out.
What's your favourite part of the makeup routine?
I don't actually know, to be honest. I like it all.
Great answer.
I quite like doing the lips.
Yeah. I like doing... yeah, it's hard. That's a hard question to answer, really, because I like doing different parts. I hate doing my brows, but I like it after my brows are done because you can see the difference. And I like doing my eyes because you can just do whatever you want, basically. There's no rule. You can just do what you want. And I like doing... I don't really like doing lips that much. I don't really care. So I'm going to be using these lashes, which is Ardell with Alice Atlantis, who won Glow Up. He actually messaged me the other day. I was very excited about that. Do you need some help?
Yes.
Right, so I don't know what you've done.
This is
close
what
your
big
eye.
sisters are for.
And then we've got these two lipsticks that we're going to be using, both nudes. So we've got Taunt, which is a liquid lipstick from Morphe, and then the lip gloss, which is Pixie. These are like the minis.
Okay, it doesn't actually look that bad. Can't really see it, which is good. It's enough for the other eye, which I'm actually terrified about.
I can see it close up.
Yeah, close up.
Looks alright though.
Away.
Gosh, I'm done. Now I'm gonna just set my spray. Set my spray.
The finishing look.
Are we done?
I need to set. I was gonna say what you said then.
I'll do it for you. Close your
Set
eyes.
my face.
Gosh.
There you go.
So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like, comment and subscribe, and comment down below if you've tried any of these looks or if you're going to recreate them. Let us know, and let me know down below if you like more videos with Nell in them. If so, we can do loads more. We have so many ideas, so that's good. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I shall see you in my next one.
Bye.
Bye.